cloud, like a rain cloud, supposed to be, but I don't know. That don't mean nothing. It may die out for a good thing.
The rain's still coming down with it out back there.
Is it?
Yep.
Well, I might need to put this umbrella because
It looks like it's moving that way though. Not towards us, but away. That way, towards the left of me. It's impossible to catch it with this camera because it's not fast enough. So I'm just going to have to videotape it and hope I can pull a picture off the video.
Where's the lightning at?
You got to wait for it and it'll show up. Hit thunder?
Yep.
That's what they call a shelf cloud. You know what a shelf cloud is?
Mm-mm.
It's a cloud that climbs like that and then it flattens up at the top and a storm is forming inside of it. There's another one over there.
What's that thing called in the pool?
What, honey?
What's that thing called in the pool?
A fountain.
Hey, how much were these puppies?
What, honey?
How much were these puppies?
How much were they?
Yeah.
I didn't have to pay for them.
Why?
Because somebody gave them to me. But they cost me a lot of money all the time because we got to give them shots and all kinds of stuff. Got to get them groomed and cut and all that.
That's what you need for French poodles?
Huh?
That's what you need for French poodles?
They're toy poodles.
What?
Mhm.
What are French poodles?
French poodles are bigger. They're just bigger. They're taller.
Did they get birthdays?
Yep, they'll be 6 years old in March.
That's the year where they born?
Yep, March 2008 they were born. March 8th.
Dogs be growing and... Hey look, I think that's really sky.
It's an airplane.
It's making light.
Mhm. It's so cool. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It'd be even better if all them houses and trees weren't in the way.
yeah. And they just living in the country even more.
Yep.
Or being even more in the country. Living in the city, I just couldn't imagine.
Oh girl, I never get, unless it's right over my house, I never get any good shots. The one that I was telling you about that I recorded with the good lightning just happened to be right in front of my house, above the other houses. That's why I was able to catch it.
They got little tails.
The lightning's dying out, I think.
Yeah, they clip their tails off.
Yeah, they clip their tails off when they're little bitty, when they're first born. I didn't have anything to do that. I won't do that to dogs. They were already like that when I got them, but I wouldn't do that to a dog. They have tails for a reason. They don't need to be cutting them off. But people do it for looks.
Terrible.
Mosquitoes are wanting to eat me now.
And they grow tails back.
No, once it's cut off, it won't grow back.
They have little tails now.
Yep, they have little stubs for tails now.
Do they know to put up the stairs?
No, they won't jump off the stairs, honey. They'll only do some things. It's funny, dogs know what they can and can't do. Ooh, I might have to give it up. Mosquitoes gonna eat me alive. I don't want to, stop.
They might be.
I'm addicted to recording storms.
What's addicted mean?
Means I don't want to stop. I want to keep doing it. Even when I shouldn't be. Come on, give me one big good lightning. Just one.
And it cuts the color of the bone.
What? Is it bar?
Oh, yes. Good one. Still not as good as that big bolt that came through it the first time. That cloud right there to the right is cool. That shelf cloud that's like a Z climbing. It's really cool. They getting you too? Yeah, they decided all of a sudden just tear it up. Okay, it's getting dark. Let's tear them up. Let's show them who this place belongs to. Oh.
Alright, honey, mosquitoes are starting to get out. Do you hear me, Dad? Now the mosquitoes are starting.
Come on, give me one more lightning before I have to go in. Just one more. Oh my God, they're huge and they're landing all over me.
Yeah, mosquitoes are starting about, baby.
Come on, one more lightning, please, 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 please. Before I get the death of a bite by a mosquito. Come on, just one more, just one more. Please, just one more.
Do they like to be scratched?
Baby does.
Yeah, if you don't scratch too hard, they do. You can't scratch hard, but they like to be lightly scratched. Okay, I gotta stop. These mosquitoes are
Do they like
killing
to do
me.
a soft